To my YouTube channel. It's Adina, aka L.O.L, and I have a special guest. Your name is?
Janaya.
Okay, guys, we're opening a big L.O.L box OMG dolls and little OMG, little L.O.Ls. And I can't wait. Let's get started. What's this? Oh, you got glasses. You have to wear these glasses. You have to find the other missing piece.
I don't know what is that.
It's like, oh, it's a puzzle.
Oh.
You have to find this. Okay.
So we got
A book. So like this.
it goes like this. It's a really. So this is what it looks like. I think inside.
Yeah, you gotta flip it around. This.
Oh.
So yeah. So yeah, and then you have to open this.
It's so. It's taped.
Yeah, you gotta like pull it out.
No, wait.
You gotta pull out like this. Okay, see?
Yeah.
Tight.
Ooh. Ooh.
What is that? What's that?
Oh,
cardboard, yeah.
nice.
Ooh.
What is that?
I don't know. Let's see. Wait, I don't think.
Oh, it's taped.
Yeah. I think
You gotta get the scissors.
Oh,
Ooh. She's beautiful.
no. She is.
So,
You close like that, so it's a like thing.
alright.
Let's see this one.
This one. Alright.
Oh.
This time I get to get one. Oh. What is this?
I think you gotta go. Oh, yeah, it's taped. Oh, it's
Oh,
not
we need the
scissors.
scissors.
Where is the scissors?
It is a doll, and it's very cute, and it has
Yes.
like
Curly hair.
curly hair. She's like her skin tone is black. Like she got
Gold clothes. She
Yeah.
got some shorts.
she got
Tank top is really
like
cute.
this. She got the ring.
And she got some nails that's gold. All right, so
And
let's
then
do. Oh, it flips.
we got another one,
And it flips.
and it flips,
And she has gold. She
she
has
got
gold hair.
pink,
Woo!
pink like pink outfit, and then she got what?
Some pink
Pink
nails.
nails, and then she got a little bit of white hair,
And gold
And-
hair.
gold, and yeah. So next one.
All right, so we
these are
have tickets. Then
Oh, there's nothing in here.
oh, nothing in here.
Oh.
Right there.
So these are some tickets.
Oh no, and then they have teddy bears.
Oh, the tickets. Nothing.
Oh, it's like a little L.O.L ball. Nothing.
Nothing. Hope they don't play us this time.
Oh,
There's chips and a ticket. And this one got popcorn. This one got a purse and a book. This one got nothing. This one got a robot and a ticket. This one don't got nothing. Nothing. This we just told you about. Chips and tickets.
L.O.L.
A ticket
with
and a bear.
teddy
Teddy bear.
and
then
there's popcorn,
Popcorn.
and then a book.
So
That's it.
yeah.
All right, let's get back to the next thing. So guys, I found another one. Coming out. It's really pinky.
Oh, that's not. What is that?
Oh, it's blind bag.
I like that. Okay.
One to seven. Here you go, Janaya.
I found the other piece.
I found a fur coat.
We found the other piece.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, so now we can put it together.
We could use one, and I could use one. I want the Okay.
Oh, it looks green. I mean, it looks blue on the thing. All right. So that was it for that one.
Okay, so I'm trying to open this one.
We open this one, and it's very hard.
So now we're opening this one. So hard. So guys, I found a way. Guys, I got it open and this is a shirt. This one it looks like it's purple and gray. It's so cute and nice. This one is glasses and it's gold and it's cute and it's fresh. This one is a gold bottle and it's like for one of the little sisters and it's so cute. I like the color gold. We got a surprise there. Shoes. We got some shoes and they're very nice. They're gray. And we have this thing. And little shoes. And then we have a skirt. It looks very cute. And then you just hop through the doll in there and then it looks very cute on them. And then we got the bottom. It's very cute. It's just like the shirt with the skirt. And it's purple and gray. So, okay guys, it says, guys, we have Lot BB. Ooh, Lot BB. Ooh, it's so nice.
Yeah.
Well, I hope y'all can see it. Well,
Yeah, it was like
y'all can
this.
see it, but video. So we're gonna open one of these up. We're gonna open up this
Oh, I got a doll.
I told you it was gonna be
Alright, so let's open the last and final one. Oh, guys, look, this is a picture. Alright, let's open the final one. Final
I think this one it's a pet. It's this one.
Oh, it's so cute. I have so freaking pretty. Alright.
Alright, I'm opening number...
I'm opening number 15.
I'm opening number 1, I guess.
Yes, that's number 1. Ooh, I got one big high hill. It's really pretty.
I think it's for...
Oh, it's 2 actually. I didn't see that coming.
Look, I can't open it, guys.
Alright,
So, yes, guys.
Alright, so I'm opening number 7, guys.
I think this is one of the little sisters.
I'm opening.
I guessed it right. It's one of the little sisters. It's very nice.
Oh my
Look
God.
it. It's very cute and it's
Oh, I think I got her shoes.
okay.
Because they're really sparkly.
Opening number 14.
I'm opening number 7.
Wow. Me either.
I'm really strong enough.
I just got right out. And oh, it's pink.
I got
And it's
this,
like-
guys.
I like
got
about it is because it's pink and it's very cute and it's like diamonds. So you go ahead now.
So I have this doll. She has black and white, and she has this cute blue, pinkish, purplish hair, and I like it. I like her face style. It's rock and roll.
So I opened number 10 and
Open number.
it got a bottom. I think it got. Oh, I'm right. So the body. So number bottom is black, and I think it goes on the curve. I don't know. Right. So
Guys, I
it
just
is
got
very cute and
So guys, I got this girl, and she looks like a little vampire. I really love her style, and she's really pretty.
so I opened number 4 and I Alright, so that's all.
Guys, I got this outfit. I think I can see that over there, and it's really pretty, and it's really soft.
So I got this I think it's a necklace and it's pink and the thing I like about it is pink and it looks like diamonds. So I really like it.
So guys, I got these glasses. I think for the other girl I just had.
It's a heart and it's pink and it's white and it's very cute. The thing I like about it is the heart and the color, the pink. So it's very cute.
Guys, I think this one is too. I think this is the girl that looks sad like her sister. Oh, it's really pretty though, and it's really sparkly. It gets all over your fingers. Alright guys, so that's that one. Now let's open this one. Oh, it says 56. Oh, let's open it.
56. Oh, okay.
Oh, it says words.
Let's go like this. Ah, 56. Okay, we can't open it.
Alright, let me open this one.
I opened it for you.
Thank you. Oh guys, I got a blind bag.
Me too. Oh gosh, you already know what it is.
Me too. Oh, guys, this one looks pretty. It looks like a unicorn one, girl.
I'm gonna show you after. I'm gonna show you the picture now.
Alright.
So, the picture and the back, it's like this, but it's very cute and it's so cute. So I'm gonna show you now. This is her. She's naked. You probably don't want to see her, but this is her. She's very cute. Her hair. The thing I like about it is the gold and her hair in the back is white. So and her edges, her earrings is very cute.
Guys, I got a tank top. I opened 45. I got a tank top and it's really cute.
Ooh, I got that. Oh, I know what it is. I know what it is because I see the picture. So, this is what she looks like. So, I'm going to show you up close.
Ooh, guys, I got a bracelet. It's really little, so you gotta keep in touch with it.
Alright, so I opened this one. She is so cute. She got, like, clothes on, but it's not clothes. And the thing I like about it is because the sparkles. The sparkles are cute.
Guys, I just found a secret door. You can open it and shut it.
But let's open. I'm opening.
I'm number 50. I'm opening 50. Oh, I got 53. I'm opening 53.
Oh, I got these bottoms. These bottoms are cute.
Oh, guys, I got this.
It's blue, and the thing I like about it is the gold and the blue. The light blue.
Guys, I got earrings that you can like shoot with, like this, you know. Shoot.
Oh,
Okay,
guys, I got the thing for the black girl, and it's very soft. I wish I could feel this right now. It's so cute.
Guys, look at this cutie tootie bawootie baby.
Alright. Oh, guys, I got a package.
Me too. It's really small.
Mine's too. Oh man, I dropped it. But
Ooh.
that's okay.
Guys, I have a bracelet and it's really cute and really small. It can fit on my nail.
Guys, I got a gold slipper or heels for the little sisters. So these are very pretty. The thing I like about it is the gold.
Guys, I got big boots and they're really pretty and they're really cool. This is, I think, the doll that I opened first.
Oh my gosh. OMG! I got a trophy. I got one trophy. I kept some stuttering. So I got a trophy and it's very gold and it has her here. Her hair is right here. And her arms are on the here. So yeah. So we're going to go to the next one.
Okay, we have We have number 40s. I'm gonna go with this number 1.
This is.
Ooh, I got a blind bag. It's really big.
Ooh, I got a blind bag and it's very little.
Oh my gosh, I think this is like you cut it like this is like something that like TV or something. Ooh, they're pretty.
So I got cute shoes. They look like they're like twins, but they're not actually because they're colors. So this one is white and gold. This one is black and gold. So I really like it.
Ooh, that's pretty, Jenai.
So this one is a dress and it has no sleeves on this one. It has sleeves on this one. The thing I like about it is because the newspaper right here. If you can see it, yeah, it's very cute. If you can see it, there's nothing in there.
Yeah, so I opened this thing for nothing.
All right. So I'm opening 28. Oh, there's a. I can't get it out.
I can. Can we help you?
Yeah.
Oh, guys, so we got a comb and it's really cute and it says L.O.L. OMG doll.
So I got this and it's very cute and it is. I don't know what it is, but it got a L.O.L. on it when you.
Oh,
when you
yeah.
got this.
Oh yeah, opens. Oh, it's like you can put it like this, like it's like a real chill thing or something. Guys, I connected together. Oh,
It's very pretty. I love it.
whoa. To wear these glasses to see what surprises.
I got these glasses and it's very cute. It's gray all the way.
All
It's
right,
very cute.
let's go to the next.
What? Wait, did you open these already?
No,
Let's see. There's
nothing. I
They
think
tricked us.
yes.
This
Alright.
is the last of it, I think.
Right here's the last of it. Right here.
Oh.
Alright, so guys, I got this one, and it's really cute.
They are tricking me, guys. So, I'm going to open the ones that I do not have.
Oh, okay, this one's not opening. Oh, there we go. Oh.
That's not fair that you're getting stuff, though.
I got a jean, a jacket, and stuff, and it's really cute clothes, guys. And got a belt, too, with it.
I can't. Okay. So, I got this bottle, and it's very cute. And it's pink.
We have the trophy for the award show.
It's very cute. So, I think
You have to open it.
there's more.
Oh, right here. You gotta twist it like this. You gotta open it like this somehow.
Hey, open it. Wait.
No. Oh, you gotta. Oh, I found it. You have to open it like this. I think. Push it. Nope. I really thought you push it.
Oh, that's all.
I think that's a thing that you can show it like. Guys, it's been a long journey, but they're all open. Yeah. So we're gonna play with them, and all right,
we're gonna show them
one by one. So first of all, we have the little kitty cat, and it looks like I got a suit on. Like just walking through the Wonderland.
one.
Here's another one. Here's another one. Here's another one. Here's another one. Here's another one.
Here's another one.
And that's all for me.
And here's another one.
And here's the last one.
Bye.
Bye. Subscribe. Bye.